We've got 10 cases that will leave you stunned. Stick around, because number 9 will blow your mind. We start with one of the biggest names in wrestling history, Hulk Hogan, the man behind the $115 million privacy lawsuit. Beyond the leg drops and Hulkamania, Hogan became part of one of the most sensational courtroom battles of all time. In 2012, a private video involving Hogan was published without permission, and he sued for invasion of privacy, emotional distress, and financial harm. A Florida jury awarded him $115 million, forcing the media company into bankruptcy. Imagine the biggest star of your childhood, now fighting in court to protect his dignity. The lesson: fame doesn't make you untouchable. From high-flying ladders to real-life struggles, Jeff Hardy and his third DUI legal fallout made headlines again. In June 2022, Hardy was arrested in Florida for driving under the influence, with alcohol levels far above the legal limit. He later accepted a plea deal that included probation, driving restrictions, and mandatory safety devices. Behind the flashes and the music, real people face real battles. And when you're in the spotlight, the fall feels harder. In 1984, Olympic weightlifter and wrestling star Ken Patera found himself facing assault charges and jail time. After being denied service at a restaurant, chaos erupted, and Patera was later convicted of assaulting responding officers. He served 2 years in jail. In the ring, you can act out chaos. In real life, consequences are real and unforgiving. Known for his wild persona, John Nord, the Berzerker's multiple DUI legal battle, was even wilder in real life. Over a decade, Nord faced repeated DUI arrests. In 2019, he was given probation, strict housing rules, and a driving ban. A talented wrestler, but a reminder that repeated mistakes take a heavy toll. Retired since the 90s, Billy Jack Haynes and his serious criminal charges shocked the wrestling world. In 2024, he was charged in connection with the tragic passing of his spouse. Before that, he sued WWE over long-term health issues, a case the Supreme Court declined. A haunting story of a former superstar whose darkest chapter came long after the ring. It wasn't just individuals. The class action brain injury lawsuit against WWE challenged the whole system. In 2020, the case was dismissed due to lack of evidence and time-barred claims. A battle behind the curtain for safety, rights, and respect. Once the original WWE diva, Tammy Sytch's 17-year prison sentence marked a tragic downfall. In 2022, she caused a fatal accident while under the influence. In 2024, she received a 17-year sentence, a fall from fame that shows how fast life can turn.
Pal. From Miami, Florida. Wow, take a look at this. 287 pounds.
Before becoming Razor Ramon, Scott Hall's troubled legal and emotional battles shaped his life. He was involved in a fatal shooting incident he said was self-defense, a trauma that stayed with him. Later, alcohol struggles brought multiple arrests, including assaulting an officer. Fans loved his swagger, but behind it were painful battles. One half of the Usos, Jimmy Uso, and his repeated DUI courtroom issues made headlines between 2019 and 2021. His tests showed extremely high alcohol levels.
You understand me? I'm just here, I'm in and out. I'm in and out, man.
For Jimmy, the courtroom became almost as familiar as the ring, but with real consequences.
Mr. McMahon walking with a purpose.
And finally, Vince McMahon's famous 1990s federal steroid trial changed wrestling forever. In 1994, he faced federal charges for allegedly distributing performance-enhancing drugs. The trial featured major stars, including Hulk Hogan. McMahon was acquitted, but WWE's wellness policies changed forever. From running WrestleMania to standing before a judge, even the boss can be put on trial. Fame doesn't equal protection. Life isn't scripted. The law catches everyone, superstar or not. You may cheer for the hero in the ring, but in court, the battles are real. From Hogan's massive lawsuit to Jeff Hardy's struggles, from Ken Patera's jail time to entire class action cases, is ready. WWE wrestlers who were eliminated in films, hidden moments, like subscribe and ring the bell, and the stories aren't over.